Hi there, this is Mr. Yu. Today I'm going to cover the factors of the environment affecting the survival of living things. I know we have already gone through in previous lesson, and these are actually the pages in your textbook which explains how each of these factors affect the living organism in an environment. Today, however, I would like to summarize all the factors to you, and I will try to make it brief and easy to understand. So let us begin. First of all, how do you remember the different factors? So I came out with this simple mnemonics. Naruto likes 10 other living things. Right? So what does Naruto stands for? Needs. And what are the needs of living things? Is air, availability of food, and water. Light stands for light, Ten stands for temperature, and finally is for other living things. So let us start from needs. So we will begin with air. So how is the air? If the air is bad, very likely we have air pollution. And air pollution will not only affect animals, it also affects humans as well. Food. Now, if there is enough food, there is no problem. But if there is not enough food, it will result in competition among different animals as they all have to compete for the same type of food. Water. So, what about water? If we have too much water, it will result in floods, and we have experienced that in Singapore, and it is not a good thing. Too little water. If there's too little water, it will result in droughts, which means there's not enough rain, the land will be dry, and we know living things need water to survive. Light. If there is too little light, our plants cannot make enough food. They can make food, but it might not be enough for them to survive. Too much light. So if it is bright all the time, our nocturnal animals will have a problem. Nocturnal animals are animals that hunt in the night but sleeps in the day. Temperature. If the temperature is too cold, animals which are not used to the coldness will not be able to survive. However, if the temperature is too hot, polar bears will not be able to adapt to such an environment. The sun. We have learned that the sun is our main source of energy. It gives us light, it also gives us heat. So at noon, it is the hottest time of the day, which means at noon it will be the brightest, and therefore the temperature is the highest. When the sun sets, it will become dimmer, and therefore the temperature becomes lower. Other living things. Now, all other living things interact with each other in order to survive. And the best example that I can give you are the aphids. Aphids are insects that feed on the sap of plants. When they do that, they actually does not enable the plant to grow as well or as healthy. Ladybug. The ladybug eats aphids, So in this way, it actually helps the plant to grow better. So this ladybug and this aphids together, they interact with each other. All animals, after some time, they die. When they die, they decompose. The decomposers actually will break them down into simpler substances, and the products of decomposition are nutrients and water. These nutrients and water will sink back into the ground and will be absorbed back by the plants again as they grow. Now I've come to the end of my lesson. I hope this short presentation has enabled you to remember what the factors are and how they have affected the living organisms in our environment. This is Mr. Yo signing out. Goodbye.